Chicken eggs versus duck eggs. Which one is actually better for your kitchen? While chicken eggs are the standard, duck eggs are gaining popularity. Let's compare the two. Both are common staples, but they offer very different experiences in the kitchen. People often wonder if the larger, richer duck egg is worth the swap in their favorite recipes. Nutritionally, both provide high-quality protein, but their densities differ significantly. Duck eggs are generally larger, with thicker, more durable shells than their chicken counterparts. Duck eggs contain more fat and protein, giving them a richer profile. They are also often packed with more vitamins and minerals due to that larger yolk-to-white ratio. When it comes to cooking, understanding the right application for each is key. Duck eggs offer a much creamier flavor and a bolder, richer taste. For baking, the extra fat in duck eggs can lead to fluffier, moister cakes and pastries. Fried or scrambled, duck eggs maintain a distinct, hearty texture compared to chicken eggs. Availability varies widely, with chicken eggs remaining the most accessible and affordable. You might find chicken eggs in any grocery store, while duck eggs often require a specialty market. Because they are harder to source, duck eggs often come with a higher price tag. Both eggs are wonderful ingredients, depending on what you want to achieve. Chicken eggs are the reliable daily choice, while duck eggs are a treat for special recipes. Next time you head to the store, consider which one fits your culinary goal best.